Let me show the daily chart on the S&P, which is this. We've got a gap below us now. Yesterday it gapped up. There's a gap there. Let me change it to a dashed line and maybe make it green for gaps. I can't see that it's green here, but notice it gapped up right at this, right at 40.19, 40.20. This is where we'd had, we saw that was support and resistance, and that's exactly where it gapped up at. Was right there at the close of the previous day is where we got a gap. Let me put here daily.
Is this SPX on the 15-minute?
This is SPX on the daily chart.
Daily chart, okay.
This is daily chart. We got a gap going between Wednesday and Thursday. There was a gap. There's also a smaller one down here. Oh, I didn't want that line. Oh, I did. Yeah, I want to. There's a gap down here between last Friday and this Monday. There was also a gap. It's a teensy one, but it's here nonetheless. That's between 39.78 and 39.83. About a 5-point gap is there. So on the daily chart, that's what we're looking at. Let's move to the 15-minute chart. Come on, come on, come on. Like 40.69 or 40.70 is a place above us. Something happens right around here, 40.40, which is also where that gap stops. A lot of movement in here. And then the 40.19 or 40.20 is where price opened yesterday. That's also a support. I mean, it gapped up from there and then came back down to the 40.20 and went up from there. Let me put one down here. This is 39.57. This needs to be black. 39.57. This was from Tuesday to Wednesday, dropped down. The gap has been filled, but there's still some support down here, 39.55.